Ciao Tesla people, a new accessory. Actually it's more aesthetic than anything. So I bought the covers for the Tesla logos. So on the Model Y, Model X, Model 3 and whatever, they're all silver, loose, glossy silver, and which I don't like personally. So I bought these covers here. I'm going to show you, and they're just plastic covers to put on top of it. So there is the front one, and it's good for Model 3 and Model Y. This one goes on the wheel inside, and this goes in the back, and it says front and it says after logo, but it's back or rear, I should say. And you can distinguish because in the back it's a bit bent. Let me open it. So you see it's bent. Okay, sorry. It's bent compared to the other one, the front one. Let me get the front one. I'm not sure about the steering wheel one. We'll see how it looks. And this is the front one. So I'm going to install the front one, then the back, and the inside. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so I'm in the front, and let's put this on. That's it. Very easy. Has a sticky tape again. And then the other one, and it goes on top of it. Pure aesthetic. Some people like it, some people don't like it. There are different colors too, so maybe you can match whatever color you have as a car. That's it. Again, let's see how long it lasts, because with a sticky tape, and let's see. Let's do the back one. Okay, and I'll do the back one. And that's it. And let me remove the sticky tape from the top. Okay. And that's it. And that's it. Done. They look good. And this matte black. So there is glossy and other type of colors and whatever. Let's see if I want to do the steering wheel one. Okay, I'm inside the car, and here's the logo for the steering wheel. It's actually not two pieces, but it's just one piece. Has a sticky tape in the back. So I'm not sure, I'm not too convinced about putting this in here. Let's see. This is how it looks. Let me show you. It's completely black out. It's cool because it's matte, but this is the difference. I don't know if you can tell because the light. I don't know. Let me know what you think. If I should put this, if you would put this logo cover, or maybe it's better without, just inside. Outside is cool. This kind of chrome on the white, and I don't like it. But inside the car, I'm not sure. I have to check out this one. Let me know what you think. Would you put it on top of it, or you would just leave it as it is in Chrome? I'm not too convinced. I'll think about it, and I'll check it out, your opinion, your comments. So I'm going to leave the link in the description for this accessory. And also I have the Tesla referral link. If you buy a Tesla with this referral link, you get Supercharger points, you get kilometers, and I also do too. And also I have all the links for all the other accessories that I install on my Model Y. And if you buy something, it would be helpful for the channel. So I'll see you. Oh, please subscribe, put a like, share it, and turn the notification bell so you get notified when I post other videos. And I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.